Do you ever get that sinking feeling, Chas, that you're surrounded? They're waiting to peck our eyes out.
Around here, they probably got used to people throwing bread and stuff on the ground. They probably built their nest.
Kevington live on tape. I'm about to have a foot massage. Look at those feet. Those are hobbit feet. Connor's trying to go to the bathroom.
No, I don't need to.
Yes, you do. Let's go.
No, I don't want to.
Let's go to the bathroom.
I don't need to, and I don't.
Let's go now. Go. What happened, Connor? Did you go to the bathroom? Did you go to the bathroom? Did you have to go? Yes, you did. Ah, leave her loose.
Yeah, he said, I want to play too. So he's going to go there. He's a cutie.
Look, kids, it's a dead stuffed animal.
In there.
A rattlesnake?
Yes.
Huh.
There's a kill.
Yeah, mousy, mousy, mousy.